This thing has to come off. Season 9 at Beyond the Build, I think Season 6 should do a burnout. I'm Mike the Wrench.
And I'm Brenton Brown from Forza Tuning and Performance.
And this is Season 9 of Beyond the Build. We're at Forza Tuning and Performance in Clearwater, Florida, and Brenton's gonna fill us in on what we're gonna be doing to this Demon.
Okay, so this is a stock 2018 Dodge Demon. Limited number, we're gonna do a 3R package, so it's gonna be tastefully done. No permanent modifications that can't be undone since it is a collector car. It'll be drastically faster than stock with increased reliability, so super stoked to get this thing on the rack and get it started.
So as far as expectations go, what do you think in power-wise? How long do you think this is gonna take us?
I think we have this done realistically in about 3 days. Okay. We got the HP Tuners brand new MPVI 2 Plus unit that they sent us. So it's a brand new unit, so there could be a little stuff we need to figure out there. We're gonna go through the crate, we're gonna put the crate PCM, the high octane button in, the interior back together. We're gonna pin the crankshaft. ATI sent us a balancer and their crank pin kit, which is the best on the market. Cooks was nice enough to send a full exhaust system from front to back, some sick-ass matte black tips. Drive Shaft Shop sent us a drive shaft, performance development, DRS rear diff brace. So I'm guessing probably it should be around 840 to the wheels, so right at 1,000 crank. So
there you have it, 1,000 horsepower Demon. That's the build. We're really looking forward to see how this thing turns out, but to do that, we gotta get to work. All right, well, San Diego, heading to Florida. Gonna go see Brenton Brown, go do a, what build? What are we building?
Demon Part 2.
Demon.
Yep.
Demon Part 2.
Beyond the Build Season 9. Season 9.
It is Season 9.
Yep.
All right, we'll see you there. There we go. We're gonna be there at 8:36 at Forza Tuning and Performance. Here's where we are, there's where we need to be. I guess we're going across the water. Look at that bridge.
Nice.
That's a pretty cool bridge. Look.
Charlie,
what up, man?
What's going on?
How are you?
Good.
Boom.
How's it going, man?
Hey, man, how's it going?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
What up?
This is weird.
Cam reception. Cam reception. What's going on?
Thank you, bro.
You made it. You made it, man. How was the flight?
Oh, it was easy.
Yeah.
Straight flight.
Yeah. Just like
What's
magically.
What's up, guys? What up?
You guys are just standing over here holding freaking cameras.
Yes.
What's up? How are you?
Good to see you. What up, dude?
Good to see you guys.
I was wondering.
Uh-oh.
What up?
What up? How are you? How's it going?
The whole gang. What's going on, dude? Good to see you, man.
What up, man? How are you?
how you doing, bud?
Sticky?
I know. You're not used to it?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at that. Oh shit, we need to update your Speed Society sign. We're at Forza. We're here right now, and there's a Demon. I haven't seen it. Let's go check it out.
It's like Charlie.
About that thing. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, before we start Season 1 or Season 9 of Beyond the Build, this thing has to come off. God, dude, the banana. How we're gonna start this whole entire build is we're gonna burn that.
Oh, smile! Smile! Hello.
That can't be real.
What's going on, Mike?
Hey, is that thing burn out?
It's Season 9 of Beyond the Build.
Season 9 at Beyond the Build, I think Season 6 should do a burnout. Dude, sick car. I got one question. Does it burn out? I heard Speedside gave it to you, so like, I'm a little skeptical. Do these things burn out?
This one doesn't burn out.
Nah.
This one does not
Now
burn
with the
out.
Denali in front of you.
It doesn't do that.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't do that.
Mikey.
Wait,
Mikey, that's what happened.
that's my wallet. Hang on.
Damn. You either got mad credit card debt or some sick networking.
You see all that cash in there? In that clip, you know what I'm saying?
Morning. What are you working on over here?
Get everything ready.
Is that like my bag where it was left?
Yeah, I saw that when I
Maybe
came
go
in
brush
last
my teeth.
night.
Is there a bathroom
Ready.
in here? All right, well, it is Florida weather. Florida man has arrived, and we're here day one of the build. Saw the Demon for the first time last night when we got in. We're gonna go take her for a drive. It's stock right now, and the build isn't even gonna be that intense because we wanna keep it like pristine, unmolested. And that's kind of the showcase of this one. It'll be great bolt-on power, something that anybody could do. All the original parts still come with it. A crate that's not been opened. So we're gonna go do a little quick run just so we can see the difference. And yeah, that's it. Let's go. Needs those cooks, dude. We gotta get cooking. What a difference, huh?
Yeah, this is
Thing's gonna wake up.
pretty tame.
Yeah. Coming from the factory, it's probably, yeah, I get it. Pretty cool then, but let's be real.
Yeah, no, it just doesn't do it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make that a little bit louder. And a little more power. Yeah. Just a little bit. What's up with that rain?
I don't know.
Drops this big.
What was that?
Like drops like Jupiter, dude.
Yeah.
In her